guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today we are unboxing my new wig from Siyun hair. I'm not sure how you say it. I bought this with my own money, you guys. Like, I have to say that this is all like a 100% honest review. So we're going to open this, but before we get into this video, I'm going to ask that you all subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10K, you guys. Help me get to 10K. I'm going to link everything in the description box. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. Follow my lash company at Casino Lashes. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this video, you guys. Okay, so if you're curious, the hair I'm wearing now, this hair is from U Wigs on Aliexpress. I'll tag them too. I also bought this wig myself, you guys, but I'm just kind of tired of it. Like, so the important thing about this wig is this is 250% density. That's one reason I don't like the wig I have on my hair right now. I think it's only like 180%. So this should be 250% density. Like, I think that's what I like now. It's 250% density and 30 inches. It should be, you guys. So I'm really excited about that. So I ordered this hair November 8th and it came November 13th. So that's pretty fast, you guys. That's not like, it wasn't even a full week. So this may or may not be my birthday hair. I don't know. I also ordered a curly wig from another AliExpress vendor for my birthday, and I'm not sure if I will want straight or curly. So that's why I got both. So we'll see what I end up doing. But the vendor communicated well and all of that. So, okay, here's the box. It says, wake your own beauty up, blah, blah, blah. This is, so on the side it says 250% density, 13x4, lace front wig, medium. I guess it's a medium cap, 30-inch, natural color, body wave, medium brown. I don't remember if I ordered body wave or not, but we'll work with it. We will work with it. I gotta check to see which one I ordered. But here's the wig. It feels like heavy. It's like a little heavier than usually. Feels like. Here's the wig. Here's the wig. Okay. I do think I want to, I'm like looking at it, I probably want to dye this like jet black. That's something I want to try. May have like a watercolor jet black video coming soon. But here's the hair. Oh, this is thick. Like, y'all can see how, oh, this is really thick. This is why I like 250% density. No hair came out when I did that. No hair. But oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. This is really, really pretty. Oh, I have my measuring tape over here, you guys. Let's see what we're working with today. So, it's all in knots and everything. Ooh, this hair is so thick, you guys. Like, okay, it's true to length. It's true to length, you guys. I'm getting true to length. So we'll see what this, I'm really excited because lately AliExpress vendors have not been true to length for me. But this hair is super thick. Like, okay. Ooh, my elbows are a little ashy. I'm really excited. I want to see how this hair holds curls. No smell, you guys. I just smell my lotion I put on, but this hair has no smell. It is like, oh, this hair is thick, 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 thick. Oh, that's what I'm really excited about. So I think I'd never want to go back to 180% density. Has little baby hairs. It is like a medium brown lace. It looks nice. It looks like it could be pre-plucked, but I always pluck my own wigs and all of that. It's not like the hairline is just too crazy or anything. Let's look at the inside. Let me get closer. So here's the inside. It's a nice amount of parting space. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's a lot. So this is a legit 13x4. One thing that's really important for me, it looks like deep. Like, you see, it looks deep. So my head is kind of big, and another thing is I can't braid to the scalp very well. So I do like my wigs to be larger. I asked them like what's the circumference on their wigs. They told me it was like 22 inches. Because I was asking them for a large cap, and they told me it would be a $10 upcharge. So I asked them. That's when I asked, like, what was the circumference of the normal wig. I'm really excited about this wig. How much did it cost, you guys? I think it costs like $300 flat, you guys. It's a little up there, but most people don't want 30, and most people don't want 250% density. But this hair is like super thick. Like, I feel like this hair I have in, it's just not enough for me. Like, I want more. And it wasn't true to length, so I'm really excited to just flat iron this hair. And it is gorgeous. Like, y'all can see me in the reflection. Look at these ends. Nothing's coming out right there. Nothing's coming out. Nothing's coming out. Nothing's coming out. But yeah, you all see how thick these ends are. That's one thing I really care about, because I want, like, one problem with this hair was like it seems like the ends are less thick than up here. Let's also look at how the frontal looks, because that's another thing about this one. The frontal, don't like how the lengths differ so much. Like, they're always gonna differ because I like to layer my hair and, like, so I could get the full curls and what have you. But yeah, it is a little bit of difference, but that's normal. But like, this hair is super thick. That's all that matters to me, the thickness. But when I finally install this hair, and probably when I do the like jet black watercolor, if I watercolor it, I will upload a new video for that. Make sure you're subscribed so you can know when I finally install this hair, my actual review on it. But like, this is gorgeous. Like, it is so thick. Like, it feels a little heavy. Like, and that's how I like my hair. I like it heavy. Yeah, so this is only my unboxing review. I haven't worn the hair, as you all can see, but right now it is everything to me. I love this hair. It's super thick. And I've said that a million times, but I'm really excited to try this hair. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it helped your decision a little bit if you're thinking about getting this hair. Pretty fast shipping. Customer service is good. Make sure you DM them before you like buy your hair, asking like, do you have 26 inches, 250% density in stock? Make sure you do that to avoid any kind of trouble. I do have an AliExpress buying tips video. I have a horror story and everything. So make sure to check that out on my channel. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.